Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to show you how we can delete our transaction history on Gcash. So let's get started on how we can do it. The number one thing we need to understand before we get into the steps is it's important to know that Gcash does not allow users to completely delete their transaction history. However, we can follow some method in order to delete them. So let's go ahead and start. Look out how we can do it. So if you want to completely wipe your history, then you can consider you deleting your Gcash account instead. However, if this is permanent and you lose all your data, balances and records. So in order to delete your Gcash account, when you go ahead and launch your Gcash after using your login credentials, on the bottom right corner you can find your profile here. So you may just go ahead and tap on your profile. After going ahead and tapping on the profile, you'll be finding your profile here. So you may just look out for your transactions here. Go ahead and locate the option called transactions in order to see your transaction history from here. After going ahead and looking out for your transaction history, in order to delete it, we need to get back and go to our profile. You may just directly tap on your profile name. When you go to profile, you will be finding your delete account option here. You will just delete your account. Along with it, it will also wipe all your transaction history. So while you can't fully delete your transaction history on Gcash following other method, this is the only method we can apply for now. So if this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more Gcash tips. And thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.